Cruising after 60 can be one of the easiest vacations you'll ever take. You unpack once, avoid constant hotel changes, and visit multiple places with far less stress. But experienced cruisers know the biggest problems usually happen before the ship even leaves port. First, understand this. The ship's medical center is not a full hospital. Serious emergencies can require evacuation, and that can cost over $250,000. Medicare usually won't cover international cruise emergencies, which is why travel insurance matters. Buy it early, ideally within 2 weeks of your first payment, so pre-existing conditions are covered. Next, choose the right itinerary. Tender boats, long walking tours, and huge ships can become exhausting if you already have knee or balance issues. Accessible cabins and scooters are smart planning, not weakness. Finally, budget realistically. Gratuities, Wi-Fi, drinks, and excursions add up fast. The smartest cruisers plan for comfort, safety, and flexibility before they ever book.